A top graphics card ensures high-performance gaming, smooth rendering, and efficient creative or AI workloads. My today's video is about top 5 best computer graphics card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte computer graphics card, the GeForce RTX 5060, powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 technology, delivers impressive performance for both gamers and creators. With 8 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory and a 128-bit memory interface, it ensures smooth frame rates, fast rendering, and seamless multitasking even in demanding applications. The card's PCIe 5.0 support maximizes bandwidth, future-proofing your system for next-generation workloads and ensuring optimal data transfer speeds. Cooling is handled expertly by the WindForce system, which keeps temperatures low while maintaining near-silent operation, even under heavy gaming or rendering loads. This allows users to push the GPU without worrying about throttling or overheating. DLSS 4 integration further enhances performance by intelligently boosting frame rates while preserving visual fidelity, making high-resolution gaming and creative work more efficient than ever. Compact yet powerful, the RTX 5060 strikes a balance between performance, reliability, and efficiency. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your workstation, this GPU provides top-tier graphics power, smooth gameplay, and exceptional long-term value. Now our second product is ASUS computer graphics card, the SFF-ready GeForce graphics card, powered by NVIDIA's advanced Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 technology, offers exceptional AI and gaming performance. Boasting an AI performance of 623 TOPS, it excels at machine learning tasks, AI-enhanced gaming, and creative workloads. Clock speeds reach up to 2565 MHz in OC mode, with a solid 2535 MHz at default, providing both stability and high-speed performance for demanding applications. Designed with the small form factor, SFF, enthusiast in mind, this GPU combines compact dimensions with powerful capabilities, making it ideal for high-performance builds where space is limited. Cooling is handled by an innovative axial tech fan design, featuring a smaller fan hub that allows for longer blades and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure. This results in efficient airflow, keeping the GPU cool under heavy loads while maintaining quiet operation. With DLSS 4 integration, the card intelligently boosts frame rates while preserving visual fidelity, ensuring smooth, high-quality gameplay and rendering. Perfect for gamers and creators seeking top-tier performance in a compact package, this GPU delivers power, efficiency, and innovation in one sleek design. Our third product is ASUS computer graphics card, the SFF-ready enthusiast GeForce graphics card, powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, delivers exceptional performance in both gaming and creative workloads. Engineered for small form factor, SFF, builds, it provides high-end graphics capabilities without compromising on space, making it ideal for compact, high-performance rigs. Cooling and reliability are highlights of this design. The axial tech fans feature a smaller hub that allows for longer blades and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure, ensuring efficient airflow even under intense workloads. A phase-change GPU thermal pad further enhances cooling by optimizing heat transfer, reducing GPU temperatures, and maintaining consistent performance during long sessions. The card's 2.5-slot design balances size and cooling efficiency, offering compatibility with a wider range of builds while keeping temperatures in check. DLSS 4 technology boosts frame rates and visual fidelity, delivering smooth gameplay and accelerated rendering for modern applications. Combining compact dimensions, advanced cooling, and top-tier performance, this SFF-ready GeForce card is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking power, reliability, and efficiency in a small form factor. Now number 4, Gigabyte computer graphics card, the Radeon RX 9070 XT delivers high-performance graphics for gamers and creators alike, combining raw power with advanced cooling and customization features. Equipped with the WindForce cooling system and Hawk fan technology, it ensures efficient heat dissipation even under heavy workloads, maintaining consistent performance and reliability during extended gaming sessions. Complementing this, server-grade thermal conductive gel optimizes heat transfer from the GPU, keeping temperatures low and allowing the card to sustain peak performance without throttling. Designed with versatility in mind, the RX 9070 XT features dual BIOS options, letting users switch between performance mode for maximum power or silent mode for quieter, more energy-efficient operation. Its RGB lighting adds a customizable visual flair, enhancing the aesthetic of any gaming rig. Whether you're tackling demanding AAA games or engaging in creative projects, this GPU balances speed, cooling, and style effortlessly. With the Radeon RX 9070 XT, users gain not just impressive performance, but also reliability, flexibility, and eye-catching design, making it a top choice for high-end gaming and small form factor enthusiasts. And our last choice is ASRock computer graphics card. The Intel Arc B580 graphics card, powered by the Intel SE2 HPG architecture, delivers outstanding performance for both gaming and content creation. Boasting a 2800 MHz GPU clock and 19 gigabits per second memory clock, it ensures smooth, responsive gameplay even in the most demanding titles. Its advanced memory configuration, 12 GB of GDDR6 on a 192-bit bus, provides excellent performance for high-resolution gaming, multitasking, and creative workloads. Cooling is handled efficiently with a triple fan design featuring striped ring fans, ultra-fit heat pipes, and air-deflecting fin technology, keeping temperatures low under intense use. The card also supports 0 dB silent operation, with fans remaining off during light workloads, ensuring a completely quiet experience. Intel's intelligent features, including SE Supersampling 2, ASUS2, and SE Matrix Extensions, XMX, provide AI-accelerated performance, enhancing frame rates, visuals, and rendering efficiency. A stylish metal backplate not only enhances the card's premium look but also improves durability and heat dissipation, ensuring long-term reliability. Balancing power, efficiency, and aesthetics, the Intel Arc B580 is a versatile solution for gamers and creators seeking high-performance graphics with intelligent features and silent operation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.